Bing, today we're going to Sooty and Co. What? No, I don't want to go. I want to see Concert of Bing. Concert of Bing does not exist. So we're going anyways when they went there. Hello, welcome to Sooty and Co. What can I get for you? We're just going to have a look around. And okay, thanks Matthew. Man, I hate this. Oh wait, what's this? Well, let's pull the fire alarm. Hey, do you think pulling the fire alarm at Sooty and Co is the best idea? Yeah. It's not the best idea. Are you stupid? When they went home. Bing, how dare you pull a fire alarm at Sooty and Co? Now it has to be closed thanks to you. This is one of the worst things you've ever done. That's it. Today is punishment day. How many? 4. Actually 3. First punishment, throwing a rock at you. Ouch! Second punishment is saying what season 2 will be like. I think season 2 will be bad. Third punishment, destroying your hate on Rosie and Winnie. No, I just said it little N-words because the real N-word is actually banned and it's racist from my channel, censored or non-censored. What? No, that's my masterpiece. Go to bed now. No!